Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty's Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your health. Hello everyone, warmly welcome to my channel. Today in this video I gonna show you about very trendy and very stunning designs of high heel sandals for specially gorgeous ladies who are loving the high heels. So dear viewers, if you are high heel lover, then you are at right place. You can enjoy my whole video. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end, because you can get very amazing ideas about high heel sandal by watching my channel and my videos. So dear viewers, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family members. Dear viewers, I'm trying my best to get very amazing content about heels and fashions for you. So dear viewers, keep watching, stay blessed, take care.